Chiko was drawing with colors so bright. When he felt a tickle, uh-oh, not right. One big achoo, and water flew high. Papers went flying up to the sky. Chiko, they shouted, what did you do? He sniffled and smiled, just, achoo! His nose is pink, his cheeks are too, but oh, those sneezes, they stick like glue. Next time he'll cover his nose, he promises so. No more surprise splashes,